A, an, and the are articles in English grammar, and they always come before a singular noun. Let's begin with an, which is always placed before a vowel or vowel sound. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and vowel sounds when there is a silent letter before a vowel. Examples: an apple, an eye, an umbrella, an hour, an honest. A is used for something in general, and before consonants like other letters B, C, and D, etc. And when we're talking about something for the first time, it's the same like an, but an with vowels and A with consonants. For example, I found a great book on a website. This is a nice dress. The is the opposite of A, is used for something specific, or when we're talking about something for the second time, or with countries that have more than 2 words in the name. Examples: this is the book that I found on the website. I like the dress in that shop. Examples for countries: the United States, the United Kingdom, the United Arab Emirates. See you in another video. Thanks for watching.